Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add a voiceover on top of your videos in CapCut. So it does only work on the CapCut PC app, not the website. I keep having to tell people that it's not going to be there. That microphone button will only be on the app. So hit the record button, select the input device. I'm using this one right now. You can adjust the volume here. You can enable echo reduction. You can also mute the project because it will play while you are recording. So if there's audio, if you don't mute the project, there will be the audio. So click the red button to start recording. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so it's me using Omen. I'm just going to flash Gecko and I'm going to one tap him with my sheriff and I'm going to go to site. And basically that's it, really. You'll hear the recording here. Hey guys, the audio will still be there. By the way, you can mute it if you want to or still have it. It's me using Omen. I'm just going to flash Gecko and I'm going to tap him with my... Okay, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!